If I make these prayers and it happens as you wish, what do I stand to gain?
I am the next king of this community, and by the power vested in me, I declare you my wife to be. You are the one that I have chosen, Okukwe. You will be my wife.
That woman belongs to another man. Is this how you want to start your reign? By taking another man's wife?
How could I be happy knowing that I'm about becoming a wife to a man I'm yet to know? I'm equally in pain.
Why putting eye on that particular one that I've decided to make mine?
So I take it that you are willing to contest a woman with your king, Atueni. This is the woman that I married, remember? She lost her virginity to me, Atueni.
You took her without her consent. You broke my hand and collected my woman just because you were named the coming king.
Wasting time will make them think you are a man who cannot take decisions urgently.
Okukwe is not a queen, for she has not received the sword of the queens from the departed queens of this kingdom.
Crowning someone a queen is different from the person actually being a queen. I was crowned a queen quite alright, but I am not a queen.
Hiroka, I'm not going to be losing just the throne. I'm going to be losing you. I'm going to be losing my mind.
The king is spiritually connected to me, and there is nothing you or anybody can do about it.
It is going to happen only on one condition, and that is that you urgently make a woman your wife.
Why is it taking you forever to understand that I am the right woman for you?
Look at you lusting over another woman's husband, and you're not even ashamed of yourself.
You only came here to make a fool of yourself. What is wrong with you maidens? You're so desperate that you don't even know when to stop.
Do you think we have all it takes to resist the king?
These people are asking for trouble, Mom. But I will show them who I am. Atueni. I will come for you.